In this video, you will learn about the new context-aware help in the Otii app and the full set of keyboard shortcuts available in the Quick Help. Let's start with the context-aware help. Whenever you hover a button, input field, or control, a short description appears in the status bar at the bottom left corner of the interface. The displayed message explains the function of the element you are interacting with. And when a keyboard shortcut exists, it is shown right next to it. An even faster way to speed up your work in Otii is to use the shortcut listed in the Quick Help. To open it, press H on your keyboard. This will display a categorized list of shortcuts that lets you work faster than relying on mouse interactions alone. To name a few, you will find shortcuts for starting, stopping, and cropping recordings, toggling power on connected Otii instruments, zooming, offsetting, and navigating through the graph, creating and activating selections, copying and managing log entries, jumping between sections of the interface. Press H again or Escape to close the Quick Help panel. Lastly, if you want detailed explanations or step-by-step instructions about Otii, you can open the full documentation at any time by pressing F1. Context-aware help, quick help, and documentation shortcuts provide a fast and efficient way to learn the interface and optimize your workflow as you analyze power consumption and device behavior. To start using it, just update Otii to its latest version.